Rich boys be having some expensive toys. Look at that. Nice truck, trailer, and a skidster. Oh, that's easily over 200,000 there. That's how you do it when you're big balling. Guys, make sure to share, subscribe, be safe on the street, and maybe someday you can have something like that. Do you have skills on the road like this? But you'd rather have skills on the road like somebody more like this? Then I'm gonna need you to subscribe and share this video. We got all kinds of videos, give you tips on how to drive safely. But just remember, even driving safe, you can still wreck. Remember guys, nobody's perfect. Make sure you're safe behind the wheel. Give yourself plenty of rest. Wear your seatbelt. Watch out for the police. We'll see you in the next one. We're out. You guys ever been to a car sledding hill? I know I haven't, and I ain't even trying to. At the bottom, I believe that's the car insurance claim cafe. I want nothing to do with that. Guys, be safe on the street. Share this video. Subscribe. Guys, I know you want to be a safe driver, and you probably are, but let me just say this. It still takes some common sense. We take it for granted sometimes. This guy just went right through the red light. This guy coming up here, I'm not sure what he's thinking, but he just hit a parked car. It just takes a little bit of common sense. That's why I need you guys to subscribe to the channel, and that way you can have all the good advice to help your friends out in the streets. This red car, you cannot make a U-turn and pull into traffic like that. The right-of-way traffic always gets through first. You gotta have some patience. Make sure you guys subscribe, share, like this video, and what's this guy getting to? Oh man, that ain't good at all. Be safe, guys. And it's a dude from Facebook. Hey dudes, I just didn't like the car, man. Oh man, I ain't buying nothing on Facebook no more. Hey, what's up guys? You gotta have some big money to roll one of these. What we got here is a Mercedes-Benz S-Class Maybach. You want to know what one of those are going just to get started in those kind of cars? Let's start at 80,000 like a nice truck. Think 80,000? Nope. What about 100,000? Nope. Still going. 120,000? Nope. We're going to have to go one more time, guys. $140,000 for the Maybach. Just starting. Make sure you guys watch the next video. I'll tell you how much it can go up to. Subscribe, share. We'll see you in the next one. We're out of here. All right. One of these Facebooks got to begin. Oh, man. What? Again? Seriously? Man, I don't want to just walk away on these guys. I'll listen to what they got going. What's up, man? Oh, this is not truck. Best one you ever drove. Other than Margaret Hamster done this. What? Having a what? Margaret Hammer. He was right down there yesterday, and I can't find him, but he's little. Oh, damn. That's Margaret Hamster. Man, I ain't never doing Facebook again, dude. I'm out of here, y'all. Oh, this is crazy. Hey, what's up, guys? What we got here is a high-track pickup truck. It also has the any-level lift kit. Put those together, that's quite a bit of money. Do you know what the high tracks are running these days? Let's think about that. 10,000? Nah. 15? Nope. Truck that size, about $20,000 for them high tracks. Share, subscribe. Hey guys, so you know, a Mercedes Maybach right off the bat is going to cost you $140,000. But there's a bright side. They have different models. But there's also still a dark side because them models go all the way up to about, let me think, 250,000? Yeah. 300,000? Yeah. 350,000 what I seen. Guys, share, subscribe, and be safe.
All right, cool new truck, new job. This is gonna be all right. What is this dude? Oh no, what? Is this happening for real? This is not a dude. What are you getting into, man? I'm just trying to go to work. This downtown workplace. Are we getting this a stare down? Oh my God, I gotta get my ass to work. I ain't working downtown no more. It's crazy out there.
Now, if you're looking to get a truck or you're just going to the truck show, I want you to know what they're talking about. So when that guy comes up and says, I got a 19-inch lift on 42s, and you're like, what the heck did he just say? That means it's lifted 19 inches above stock and it's running on 42-inch tires. Share, subscribe.
video here has got me thinking. I'm not sure what's going on, so I actually got a question for you. 1, is this real? 2, do you even know who that is? And 3, are there any safety issues that you notice? Comment, share, and be safe.
Oh man, now there's a truck for sure I know I can't afford. That thing is out of control right there. But for a millionaire, they buy them by the pair, and at 250 grand a piece, well, you better be a millionaire. Guys, share, subscribe, be safe on the street. We'll see you. Don't be picky when you're buying a truck. Remember why you're getting a truck: to go four-wheeling, to haul things, probably put the pets in it. So make sure you get something used, because if you get something new, you'll probably get mad the minute you put a scratch on it. And you're going to save a lot of money. For example, this truck is $300,000 new. You could buy it used for 100 grand. Share, subscribe, be safe, guys.
Hello everybody, welcome to a German Autobahn, where there is no speed limits. You will be experiencing a Ferrari reaching the speed of 200 miles an hour. Enjoy your ride, and as always, be safe, subscribe, and share this video. And please do not attempt. Approaching 200 miles an hour. I hope you enjoyed your ride. Be safe, share, and subscribe.
Hey, what up, guys? DIY Arch here. Make sure when you're at the gas station, you ain't smoking no cigarettes, playing with no lighters, or going in and out of your car. That's how you start a static fire. So make sure you're safe out there. Like, subscribe, share this with your friends, guys. We're DIY Arch. I ain't going more with them than these guys. Hey, what up, guys? DIY Arch here. Whenever you see that school bus with them stop signs up, you got to stop no matter where you're at, because you don't want to be hitting none of them kids. Be safe out there. We'll see you